more of our Wonder Women of Hollywood special ahead. Ariana Grande's courage after the Manchester attack.
Hey, I love you so, so much. Thank you.
Welcome back, everybody, to ET's special 4th of July look at our favorite Wonder Woman. Now, Ariana Grande definitely fits that bill because of the incredible strength and grace that she showed under truly horrific circumstances.
Absolutely. 22 people lost their lives in the Manchester terror attack at her concert. Hundreds more were injured. But Ariana, she turned that tragedy into a triumph when she returned to Manchester just days later for a very special concert. Ariana organized the event as a benefit for the victims and their families, raising nearly $13 million. The singer got emotional while addressing the crowd of more than 50,000 fans.
I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for being here today. I love you so, so much.
Still, she put on a brave face to perform her hits for fans and sang along with some famous friends, including Katy Perry, Justin Bieber, Miley Cyrus, Coldplay, and the Black Eyed Peas. Now, Ariana is just 24 years old, so she wasn't even born yet when Janet Jackson's Rhythm Nation ruled the planet in 1989, and Janet hit the road for the most successful debut concert tour ever. Now,